ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 778। उशस्थ चाक्रायणः he asked the question about what is that which is yat sakshad aparokshad brahma ya atma sarvantarah, that you tell me. So the direct answer is that is you. Yeshate atma, te tava atma means this is who you are. So this is the first thing I should understand. What is aparoksha? What is brahma? Brahma shabda, how Brahma shabda is formed?
Brahi Vruddha Manin Pratyaya.
Manin pratyaya. Then one more sutra. Before that, sutra.
Brahirnocha.
Brihar no acha. From here no acha. So with Brahma Shabda Nishpatti, well, this Brahma is Sarvantaraha. Which is this one that again he asked? Katamaha Atma Sarvantaraha. So then Yajnavalkya gave answer. See in the टीका, first line, Sarvantara iti विशेषोक्त्या प्रश्नस्य विशेषणान्तराणाम् अनास्थाम् आशंक्य आह. सर्वांतर शब्द is given, that is a vishesha. येषत आत्मा सर्वांतरः विशेषोक्त्या प्रश्नस्य विशेषणान्तराणाम् अनास्था. So then all the other visheshanas, they will have no application because sarvantara is already given. So visheshanantaranam anastha anadaram इति आशंक्याः. सर्व विशेषण उपलक्षणार्थम सर्वांतर ग्रहण. Sarvantara is the upalakshana for all visheshanas. So Sakshad, Aparokshad and Sarvantara, three visheshanas were there. All of them are included in. Sarvantara is just mentioning that other two are also there. What is the lakshana of upalakshana?
तद्ग्राह्यत्वे सति तद् इतरग्राहकत्वम्.
तद्ग्राहकत्वे सति तद इतर ग्राहकत्वम् उपलक्षणम्. यत् साक्षाद अव्यवहितम् अपरोक्षात् अगौणम् ब्रह्म बृहत्तमम् आत्मा सर्वस्य अभ्यंतर एतैर्गुणैः समस्तैः उक्तः एषः. By एषः शब्द all this is given. साक्षाद means अव्यवहितम्, अपरोक्षात् means agaunam. So साक्षात अपरोक्षात Brahma, these three words are given in the mantra. Sakshat means avyavahitam, aparokshat means agaunam, Brahma means brihattamam, that which is the big, brihattamam, Atma, sarvasya abhyantara, that which is within all, sarvasya abhyantara. Etaihi samastaihi gunaihi uktaha yasha. By all these guna it is indicated. Tika. Esha shabdartham prashnapurvakam aha. Kosau iti. So now, Esha you said, what is this Eshaha? Means all these Visheshanas are pointing out where. Like if I say Mahat, Sugandhi, Neelam, so it's a what? Utpalam. So like here if it is said Sakshad, Aparokshad, Brahma, Sarvantaraha, so what is that? He says Tava Atma, Atma Shabdartham Vivranati. So that is your Atma. Tava Atma. Now when they say Tava Atma, so this is a Gauna Vakya Prayoga. Because actually he should say Tvam. So when Tava is said, it is assumed that whoever is the listener, sadhaka, shishya, whoever, they understand themselves as Deha. In Deha there is Atma. So that's how the Prayoga is Tava Atma, Mama Atma, like that. Meri Atma, Teri Atma. So Tava Atma, here it is your Tava Swarupam. The third Tippani number 3. That is your Swarupa. Yoyam Karya Karana Sanghatas Tava Yena Atmana Atmavan Sa Esha Tava Atma. Yaha Ayam Karya Karana Sanghatas Tava. This Karya Karana Sanghata of yours, that by which Yena Atmana Atmavan, that by which it becomes Atmavan. Atmavan means it becomes existing. Atmavan means it has the Atmatva Labha. Atmatva Labha means Ghata becomes Atmavan means it has Ghatatva Prapti. Ghato Asti, that Asti is available now. In this way you can understand. So this Karya Karana Sanghata, how it gets this Asti Sanya, and then how it is able to function also, that because of which all of this is happening, that is called Atma. Yena Atmana Atmavan Sa Esha Tava Atma Tava Karya Karana Sanghatasya ityartha. Tava means Karya Karana Sanghatasya. Tava Atma, Atma of this Karya Karana Sanghata. Tika. Yena iti atra sa shabdo drashtavya. Yena Atmana Atmavan Sa Esha Tava Atma. So Yena Saha. षष्ठ्यर्थम स्पष्टयति तव तव आत्मा. सो तव मीन्स कार्यकरण संघातस्य. दिस इज षष्ठी. प्रश्नांतरम उत्थाप्य प्रतिवक्ति. So now Prashnantaram, another question he is going to ask. Who is going to ask?
उषस्थ.
Ushastha is going to ask. Tatra पिंडः तस्याभ्यन्तरे लिंगात्मा करणसंघातस् तृतीयो यश्च संदिह्यमानस् तेषु कतमो मम आत्मा सर्वान्तरस् त्वया विवक्षितः इति उक्तः. So Purvapakshi says, means Ushastha says, how many atmas he thinks right now? According to this pankti.
Each one atma.
How many? Three is the correct answer. Yatra pindah, tatra pindah, this is one. Tasya abhyantare lingatma, that is two, which is karana sanghata. Tritiyo yasya sandihyamana, and third is where there is doubt. Means dehatma, sthula deha is atma, sukshma deha is atma, and beyond that, asti nasti pratyaya is there. That is sandihyamana. Teshu means how many it has to have. Minimum 3. So that is what he said. Teshu katamaha. If they say katara means there are only 2 points possible. There is only one. He say, like Virochan, he would say understood, and he will go deha is atma. Katara atma means of the 2, but katama means 3 or more options he already has. So these are the 3. Katamo mama atma sarvantaraha. Which one is my atma, which is sarvantaraha according to you? Tvaya vibhakshitaha. What you discussed. Iti ukte itara tika prashnantaram utthapya prativakti. Sarvantaras tava atma iti ukte sati. When it is said atma is sarvantaraha. So now a question is tika. Tritiyo matra sakshi praniyate pranana vishishtaha kriyate iti yavat. Tritiyo matra sakshi praniyate. The Navratri is going on. So he has given the word matra sakshi. If Pitru Paksha was going on, Pitru sakshi. Correct? You don't have to. Huh?
Mata.
Matra is not mata. Matra is pramata. Pramata. Sakshi of pramata. Pramatri sakshi. But pra he has not given, it is upasarga, just to give you a clarity on this. So that which is the sakshi of pramata is atma. Is going to be pointed out. Pramata is the one who does all the other cheshta. Like Indriya. Mainly he will tell the others. Tritiyo matra sakshi praniyate pranana vishishtaha, and he does pranana vishishta kriya. In Bhashya, यह प्राणेन मुखनासिका संचारिणा प्राणिति प्राणचेष्टां करोति येन प्राणः प्रणीयते इत्यर्थः। येन प्राणः प्रणीयते य प्राणेन प्राणीति, य प्राणेन न प्राणीति, येन प्राणः प्रणीयते तदेव ब्रह्मत्वं विद्धि नेदं यदिदम् उपासते। केनोपनिषत्। Here it is given as yaha. Yaha means atma pranena praniti. Mukhanasika sancharena pranena praniti means prana cheshtam karoti. Means yena pranaha praniyate. That by which prana praniyate, it functions, acts as prana. So in Kenopanishad, all of them are given in this way only. Because question is kena, so answer is yena. All answers are there, yena only. Prana doesn't empower it, but it empowers prana. That is how the answer is given. Sa te tava karya karana sanghatasya atma vijnanamaya. That is your atma, karya karana sanghatasya atma, that is vijnanamaya. Vijnanamaya buddhi upadikaha. Buddhi is the upadhi of that. Buddhi upadikaha bahuvrihi samasa. Buddhi upadhir yasya. Atmana. Sa atma buddhi upadikaha. Means that atma which has the primary upadhi as buddhi. That's why it is called vijnanamaya. Later we will see in yoyam vijnanamaya praneshu. Tika. More in bhashya first. Samanam anyat. Samanam anyat. What is that? You see, they have given a little bit. Yo apanena paniti. Yo vyanena vyaniti iti. Chandasam dairgyam. Where is dairgyam?
Vyaniti.
Dirgham is there in how many places? Only in two.
Vyaniti, Vyani.
Apani.
Apaniti Vyaniti.
Two they have.
Vyaniti.
So that's why only two are given. Udana is not given. Because it is rasva. So there it is not chandas. But Udanam also is empowered by Atma alone. So in Kathopanishad, there is one mantra. Na pranena praniti. See what is the mantra here? Pranena praniti. In Kathopanishad, what is given? Na pranena praniti. Yena prana praniyat. Right? No. What is the mantra? Na pranena na panena martyo jivati kaschana. Itarena tu jivanti. Yasmin neta upashritau. That is the mantra. Na pranena na apanena martyo jivati kaschana. Mortal is not living because of prana apana. Means prana apanas are not independent in functioning. Itarena tu jivanti. There is something else. What is that itara? Yasmin eta upashritau. Means yasmin etau prana apanau. These prana and apana, they are upashrita, ashrita in that atma. So they are dependently existing. Correct, Shruti? Now you see टीका. कथम एतावता संदेहो अपाकृत इति आशंक्य. So by this, how was the question of Ushastha answered? Because the questions, prashna samadhanam also should happen. So he's asking how the samadhanam happened by this. सर्वाः कार्यकरण संघातगताः प्राणनादि चेष्टा. अनुमानम is coming now. अनुमानम वक्तुम व्याप्तिम आह. First he gives व्याप्ति. सर्वाः कार्यकरण संघातगताः प्राणनादि चेष्टा दारु यंत्रस्य इव येन क्रियन्ते. All कार्यकरण संघातगत प्राणनादि चेष्टा दारु यंत्रस्य इव, that is दृष्टांत, येन क्रियन्ते. नहि चेतनावत् अनधिष्ठितस्य दारु यंत्रस्य इव प्राणनादि चेष्टा विद्यन्ते. This is Vyatireka. First he gave Anvaya, now Vyatireka. Without Chaitanya presiding over it, a jada object like Daru Yantra, a wooden doll, cannot have activity, any chesta. So you see Tika now. Ya khalu achetana pravrittihi sa chetanadhisthana purvika. Ya achetana pravrittihi sa chetanadhisthana purvika. यथा रथादि प्रवृत्ति ही, like रथादि प्रवृत्ति. So यत्र यत्र अचेतन प्रवृत्ति ही तत्र तत्र चेतनाधिष्ठान पूर्वक प्रवृत्ति. यथा रथादि प्रवृत्ति ही येन क्रियन्ते सो अस्ति इति संबंधः. पूर्व पक्षी विल से देयर इज साध्य वैकल्यम, दृष्टान्तस्य साध्य वैकल्यम. व्हाट इज साध्य वैकल्यम?
In Drishtanta sadhya is not there.
In Drishtanta sadhya is not there. In Drishtanta sadhya should be there or not?
Should be there.
Then what about hetu? If sadhya has to be there, hetu is needed or not needed?
Hetu also needed. If hetu is not there, then sadhana vaikalyam.
So Drishtanta sadhya should be there, hetu should be there. Sadhana vaikalya, sadhya vaikalya. So sadhya vaikalyam pariharati nahi chetanavat anadhishtitasya daru yantrasya prananadi cheshta vidyante. If chetanavat anadhishtita, that which is not presided by chetana, chetanavat, prananadi cheshta na vidyante. In other words, यत्र यत्र प्राणनादि चेष्टा तत्र तत्र चेतनावत् अधिष्ठितत्वम. Wherever prana chesta is there, chetanavat adhishthanam has to be there. Like in Daru Yantra. Sadhya Vaikal. So Daru Yantra is the Drashtanta. In Daru Yantra, if you want to show Sadhya Vaikalya, he will say, Daru Yantra does not have Chetana Adhishthitattvam. So you say when Chetana Adhishthitattvam is not there, Chesta is also not there. Wooden doll by itself will not do any activity. So Sadhya Vaikalya is not there. Samprati anumanam arachayati. Now he gives anumanam. Tasmat Vijnanam after that what is there?
Vijnanamayena.
Vijnanamayena. Vijnanamayena adhishtitam. Vilakshanena daru yantravat pranadi cheshtam pratipathyate. कार्यकरण संघात विज्ञानमयेन अधिष्ठितः दारु यंत्रवत्. प्राणनादि चेष्टा पूर्वकत्वात्. Like that you will have to give it. प्राण. So कार्यकरण संघातः is the paksha. विज्ञानमयेन अधिष्ठितः. Why? Because प्राणनादि चेष्टा पूर्वकत्वात्. प्राणनादि चेष्टा is there in it. यत्र यत्र प्राणनादि चेष्टा पूर्वकत्वं तत्र तत्र विज्ञानमयेन अधिष्ठितत्वम्. अनुमानम is there. टीका. विमता चेष्टा चेतनाधिष्ठान पूर्विका अचेतन प्रवृत्तित्वात् रथादि चेष्टावत् इत्यर्थः. Any chesta is chetanaadhisthana purvika achetana pravrittitvat, because that pravritti, if it is in achetana if there is pravritti, it has to be chetana adhisthana purvika. So someone says in chetana there is pravritti, then in chetana there is no pravritti. How chaitanya is nishkriya, so there is no pravritti itself. In other words, jada sanghata in the proximity of chetana will have pravritti. Chetana by itself doesn't have pravritti. Like our shariradi karyakarana sanghata is jada, in the vicinity, proximity of chetana, there is pravritti. Pratipadyate pranadi iti shashaka. Pranadi pratipadyate. So pratipadanam, pravritti is like of the prana, etc. Anumana phalam is tasmat so asti karyakarana sanghata vilakshano yash cheshtayati. Therefore, so asti karyakarana sanghata vilakshanaha saha atma karyakarana sanghata vilakshano asti. Yaha cheshtayati. Cheshtayati, what is the pratyaya?
Nish.
Anik pratyaya. Nijanta shabda. Not cheshtati, cheshtayati. Means he doesn't do chesta. He makes others do chesta. What is the shloka in Gita? In second chapter. Veda vinashinam nityam ya enam ajamabhyaya.
कथं स पुरुषपार्थ घातयति अन्तिकम् उसमें भी
Ghatayati, there nich pratyay there. So neither it kills nor it makes others kill. That is how it is given there. Means there it is said it cannot do chesta. Right? Here what is given? Chestayati. Means this is called Mimansa. In Brahadaranyaka you bring Kathopanishad, it is said this way. Kenopanishad is said. But you have to find the appropriate shloka and mantra. Not just go in some, because I remember only this shloka. So I will do Mimansa with that shloka. That is not required. What is Sambandha here? So here if it is said Yaha Cheshtayati, and there it is said Tang Ghatayati, means Na Ghatayati, means there is no Anijanta. So that is from Paramartha standpoint. This is just to explain this Ushasta, that because of which all this is functioning. Really speaking, directly Atma doesn't do anything. Naiva kinchit karomi. So Atma is not karta, Atma is not karayita also. Karta pina karayita pina ham. Like there are some shlokas in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta, you will see. So you understood why this Cheshtayati is given. So that with reference to some Jada Sanghata, I understand Atma. When I understand Atma, then Jada Sanghata is out. So this is called Adhyaropa Apavada Prakriya. They will tell you something with respect to something which is known. Then when my attention goes to that which was unknown, then what is known, it becomes insignificant. Then I understand there is no connection. Atma is Asanga. Otherwise you will wonder that when are they going to say now Adhyaropa is starting? When are they going to say now Apavada? It is never going to come. This is how they will teach. Tika. Cheshtayati karyakarana sanghatam iti shesha. Atma karyakarana sanghatam cheshtayati. But Atma is karyakarana sanghata vilakshana. It is different from it. With this first mantra is over. Now prashna prativachana yor ananurupatvam ashankate. Between prashna and uttara, prativachana means uttara. Prashna prativachana yoho ananurupatvam. What did he say? How do I want to know Atma? Like you bring the cow with the horn and say, this is cow. Like that you tell me, this is Atma. You didn't say, you just said, Sarvantara eshate Atma and pranina praniti apanina apaniti. In Bhashya. Before that, let's see the mantra. Sahovacha ushastaschakrayano yatha vibruyat asau gauras asavashva ityevameva etad vyapadishtam bhavati yadeva sakshad aparokshad brahma yatma sarvantaras tamme vyachakshveti eshata atma sarvantaraha katamo yagnevalkya sarvantaraha न दृष्टेर द्रष्टारम पश्येर न श्रुतेः श्रोतारम शृणुया न मतेर मंतारम मन्वीथा न विज्ञातेर विज्ञातारम विजानीयाः एषत आत्मा सर्वान्तरो अतो अन्यदार्थम ततो ह उषश्च चाक्रायण उपरराम. This is prasiddha, famous mantra. Now, many of these very well-known mantras will keep coming. So Ushastha Chakrayana said, you didn't do Pratignya Purti. I asked you, you have to show Atma like a cow with the horn. Ushastha Chakrayana Yatha Vibruyat. Asau Gauhu. Asau Ashwa. Means if somebody says, this is how the cow is, this is how the Ashwa. Because Asau is used for not Sannikrishta. It is something which is remote. What is the shloka?
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टः समीपतरवर्तिनि अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टः
Adasastu viprakrashtah taditi paroksha vijaniyat. Tat. Paroksha is tat. So others is viprakrashta. So you are telling me about some Atma which is not Sannikrishta or Samipataravarti. It is viprakrashta. Means little remote, little farther. So that is not how I want to know. असौ गौः असौ अश्व इति एवं एव एतद् व्यपदिष्टं भवति. So your sentence is like that only. यदेव साक्षात् अपरोक्षात् ब्रह्म य आत्मा सर्वान्तरः तं मे व्याचक्ष्व इति. So that you tell me. He says Eshata Atma Sarvantara. He again says the same thing. That is you. But this Ushastha had the idea. So now he will give some color, some rupa, rasa, gandha, something, some attributes. He said that is you. Sarvantara, which is the self of all. Katamo Yagnevalkya Sarvantara, again he gives the question. Which one is this? So now, instead of pranena, praniti, etc., he says, you cannot see that, you cannot hear it, you cannot think of it, you cannot know it in this way. Na drishtehe drashtaram pashyehe. Drishtehe drashtaram. So Atma is drashta. Drashta of the drashti. Drashti means if ghata is there, then ghata jnanam is called drashti. That ghata jnanam is known to Atma, which is the drashta of that ghata jnanam, otherwise known as sakshi. That sakshi you cannot see. Ghata you
could
can
not
see.
hear.
Ghata you can see. But ghata jnanasya drashta. Drashta means Atma, sakshi. Ghata jnanasya drashta Atma you cannot see. Similarly, na shrutehe shrotaram shrunuyat. I can hear the sound. If some sound is there, I can hear. The one who is listening to this sound is called Shrota. That Shrota you cannot hear. Shrutehe Shrotaram na Shrunuya. Visarga is there in all of them. Shrunuyaha, Manvitaha, etc. Which lakar is this?
विधिलिंग मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम.
Vidiling Madhyam Purusha Ekvachana. Pashyehe, Shrunuyaha, Manvita. Matehe, Mati means Buddhi. Matehe Mantaram. So Matehe Manta is this Atma. Atma you cannot do the Chintanam. Buddhi will work to know Bahya Vastu. Buddhi will not be able to know Atma. Similarly, na vijñate he vijñataram vijaniya. The knower of knowledge cannot be known. Knower of knowledge. Knowledge means knower of knowledge cannot be known. Because if it cannot be known at all, then what is the point in putting forth any effort? So it can be known, but not Drishyattvena. And then further he says, Eshat Atma Sarvantara. This is your Atma. Your Atma means you, the Atma, your Swarupa, Sarvantara. Up to this is one teaching. Then Ato Anyad Artam. Other than this Atma, everything is Artam. Artam means Vinashi. Vinashi means Mithya. Because according to Vedanta, what is Vinashi is Mithya. So here everything is given. Atma is the illuminator of Darshana, Shravana, Manana, Vijnana. Atma cannot be known through any of these kriyas. Other than Atma, everything is Vinashi, which is Mithya. And that Atma is Sarvantaraha, it is me. Ushasta Chakrayana understood. Tato ha Ushasta Chakrayana Upararama. Then he withdrew. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.